Welcome back to the channel, and I just want to do a quick video on how to replace your cabin air filter and your engine air filter. I'm going with the K&N air filter, not sponsored. This is their washable cabin air filter, and this is just long life engine air filter. I heard they're coming out with a dry filter that's the same washable material. When that happens, I'm probably going to get it, but until then, I'm just going to be using the dry filter. Let's go install them quick. First, we pop these two clips here, pull this up, and then it just slides, oh my gosh, it slides up and out of the way. And here's my factory air filter. Let's see, after 20,000 miles, honestly, that's not too bad. I mean, it definitely has a lot of life left in this, but let's see how it compares to the 18,000 mile K&N air filter. Alright, so there looks to be more pleats on the K&N, but the factory air filter is definitely much bigger. Material I would call about the same, same size, so alright, let's drop it in, and that's it. Line up the two tabs in the back, and that's it. Air filter's changed. The cabin air filter is here in the glove box. You pull out a piece of plastic, and then there's another cover right here. And I found if you just kind of pull on the top of it very gently, it pops right out. You have both of those, and then it's right here. And they're always a little difficult to pull out. Okay, that is dirty. When you're replacing the cabin air filter, you got to hold on to this plastic tray and install the new filters. We're going to pop the old one out. Took the plastic off of this. I don't see an up, but because it says made in the USA, I'm going to assume that side up. And we're just going to slide it into the tray and pop it in. Super easy. There we go. From what I understand, you don't have to oil this one up. It's good to go. And lastly, we're going to put it back in, this side up. We're going to take it, slide it in. It kind of pops into place. And then again, this side up. And we're just going to put this all back together. So that side clips in. There's like two little tabs over here that you just take and slide in. And then this side, you just push it into place. And then same here, we're going to slide one side in. That's it. Replaced. It's been about a month since I installed the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. The engine air filter I really don't have an opinion on. It's a good air filter. It seems to be working pretty well for me. I haven't noticed any power losses with humidity, without humidity. Cabin air filter, this was something that I did not expect. I needed to wash this before I put it in the truck. There was like this sweet smell that it had. I don't know if it was the manufacturing oil. I'm not exactly sure what it was. So I just used some Dawn dish detergent, a very lightweight, and I just soaked it in there, washed it, gave it a good thorough scrubbing, and then I put it in the truck, and it's been great ever since. It works just like any other air filter, except now I can pull it out, rinse it, wash it, put it back in the truck. So far, I have to say I'm happy with it. I haven't noticed any weird smells or anything like that ever since I washed it. Flow is good. Everything about it seems to be pretty good. I like it. I hope this video was helpful on how to install and replace your air filters. And if you like more content like this, please like and subscribe. I have some new videos coming soon.